Hi all, let's have a look at this question. The following integral is to be evaluated numerically. Which of the following should be used for this purpose? Let's have a look at options one by one. First one is Rangekutta method. This is used to solve the ODEs, ordinary differential equations. The second one is Simpson's method. It is used to evaluate integrals. Third one is Newton-Raphson method. It is used to obtain the roots of functions. The fourth one is Gaussian method. It is used to obtain the solution for system of linear algebraic equations. So the correct answer for given question is Simpson's method. Among the given options, Simpson's method is the only method which is used to evaluate the integrals. So the correct answer is option B, Simpson's method.